In this video help, we're going to be covering the customer by store report. What is the customer store by report? What it is a report that allows you to separate the clients and then what stores they have visited. If you have a multi-store situation where you have additional stores in your business or customers that can be going between different stores, it lists customers and the store that they came to initially, and the information about that, a little bit of information about that particular client, either the primary information and or the customer information as far as the customer is concerned. In this particular screen, as we enter it, you'll see that there's only one record in here. And this is what I indicated before in the customer video, where if you come to a screen and there's less than the anticipated information in the screen, that means that if somebody has done a find, using the do find, and did not add back the records after they were done. And the way you add them back in is move over to the Show All Records and click on it. And then what it does is it brings in all the records for all the customers. Now, one of the things you're going to do on this screen, since it's a custom report, you're going to want to run the report. And what it's going to do is it's going to separate the information by individual customer, again, like we just showed. And then you'll see if this particular client has gone to a different store, he will be listed by his name, and then if it's in a different store, you'll see the additional information for each store that they visited. What does that do for you? If you have customers where they have done purchases at your store, but they frequent other stores, you'll be able to see which stores they've gone to. That helps you when the customer comes back. If there's any issues and they bring back stuff to your store, and they tell you that they were at another store where they purchased it, you can verify that they were at that store using this screen. But it also allows you to do a find if you wanted to look at your different stores to see the different customers or print out information that's based on those particular clients that showed up at those different stores. In this case, the Nut Tree store is at a mall called Nut Tree Plaza, and it's located here, and then these are all the clients for the Nut Tree store. Now, in this particular version of this application with the basic information that's in here, there are also web sales. And what is a web sale? If your customer base is based on both sales on the internet and also within fixed store locations, you can have a store named Web Sales, and that would be a web sales client that would be part of that particular store. And that would be information that you would be able to find using the do find, and you can separate out fixed stores from people that are doing web store information. In addition to that, as you saw in prior screens, you can omit records. In this case, if I wanted to omit the one that had the web store on it, I would click the record for the web store, and it would disappear. And then if I wanted to see just that record or the records that were omitted, they would show here. Run the report again, and now all the stuff for web store people would be listed. If you want to go back or go to the sales screen or the customer screen, going back to the customer screen, in this case there's buttons at the top and so forth, or if you wanted to go to the store location screen to make changes to the store location information, you could click on this icon or button at the top. If you have more questions about this particular screen, you can go ahead and contact me on the internet using this link up here at the top that goes to my support site. Thank you.